Viessmann boiler showing an F1 fault? At Boilers2Go, we're here to help you understand and fix it. F1 means your boiler is overheating. It's a safety lockout designed to protect your system from internal damage. The most common cause is low water pressure. Without enough water, heat builds up rapidly, causing a lockout. Check your gauge. If it's below 1 bar, top it up using the filling loop. If pressure drops again, check for leaks. Sludge or airlocks also block flow, causing the heat exchanger to overheat instantly and trigger that F1 code. Bleeding radiators or a professional power flush usually clears these blockages, restoring proper circulation. A failing pump won't move water fast enough. Listen for humming or grinding noises coming from the boiler. Blocked parts or faulty sensors also trigger F1. Technical fixes require a gas-safe registered engineer to handle safely. If a pressure top-up doesn't work, call the experts. Subscribe to Boilers2Go for more heating tips.